Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back. And so, while they're inside shopping, and I just couldn't stay inside Walmart because there's too many people in there. It's packed, and yeah, I figured I'd come just chill in the car real quick. So I'm just sitting over here, while my lady and her sister are shopping, and I wanted to tell you guys real quick. And you know what? This is nothing new. This is nothing breathtaking. This is nothing, you know. Yeah, like I guess you could say like new tech or anything like that. But I'm geeking out over it because I turned my Chromebook into my ultimate gaming experience for me. Several games that I really loved playing on the PSP. I downloaded an emulator on my Chromebook. And so, yeah, you're going to see the whole shebang and some gameplay from the Chromebook so you guys can see how it looks. Like I said, it's nothing new, but it's new to me, and yeah. And if you watch this video all the way through, hashtag nerd up at the end, and let me know what you guys think.
And so here it is. This is my Chromebook here. I don't remember exact model of it, but I will tell you guys in the comment section which model Chromebook this is. But as you guys see, the Chromebook is there, and this is a PS3 controller connected by a USB cable. And so I've downloaded some emulators onto my Chromebook and then downloaded some game ROMs to basically install. And you guys can see I got a couple of games already. I'm going to go ahead and install the King of Fighters game that I was able to download. I don't download just from one particular site, only because there's a lot of game companies that are cracking down on sites that have the either like for PSP or for PlayStation, they have like the ISO files, which is the ROM itself in the game. And then, you know, for like Nintendo and stuff like that, they're really cracking down on it. So, yeah, I don't have like one particular site that I can tell you guys to download these things from. But nonetheless, yeah, this Chromebook is going to be my ultimate gaming experience. And I can actually play two-player on this because it does have two USB ports. I can connect basically two controllers and then play two-player. The emulator itself is pretty easy. Just map out the controller itself and settings and whatnot. But other than that, the gaming experience is like pretty awesome. And I'm going to show you guys here, you know, just like how like the frame rate and like the gameplay looks. I'm not going to play like the actual game, but I'm just going to show you guys like how it looks and whatnot. So just a couple of my favorite games. We'll go ahead and go with Initial D here, and I'm just going to let the game just load up. Now you have these virtual controllers on the screen itself, but those will fade away over time since I do have like an actual gamepad connected, so I can actually play out. But yeah, the gameplay is actually rather smooth. It's only when I try to do like a screen record is where it kind of it doesn't get choppy. It still stays smooth, but it just feels a little laggy. So, but you can see the graphics is actually pretty good itself. It's not like an immaculate gaming monitor that's like in, you know, 60 frames per second type thing. It's in 30 frames, but nonetheless, still smooth enough to play. And especially with a racing game, you know, you want the frame rate to stay as smooth as possible. So, yeah, you don't actually wreck into a wall or something like that. But other than that, I mean, any other game plays out the same way. And this is my little game experience. If you guys enjoyed it, drop a like to let me know. If you have questions, ask them in the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. Y'all are clutch. I'm gonna go game right now, and as always, aloha.